Good day! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Francis Alfredano. And today we're gonna solve a game theory with pure strategy. So, here's our problem. Clara, the marketing director of Globe Telecom, is planning a promotional campaign. She can either offer a buy one take one promo or launch a social media contest. Meanwhile, their biggest competitor, Smart Communications, can either lower their data rates or offer a free data weekend. The projected payoffs for Globe Telecom in dollars based on Smart's strategy are: if Globe launches buy one take one promo and Smart lower rates, Globe gains $4,000. And Smart offers free data weekend, Globe loses $1,000. If Globe launches social media contest and Smart lower rates, Globe gains $2,000, and Smart offers free data weekend, Globe gains $1,000. So, what should Clara's strategy be to maximize Globe's gains? What should Smart's strategy be to minimize Globe's gains? And what is the expected outcome? So, here, ito na yung payoff table. So, yan, if nag-buy one take one si Globe at nag-lower rates si Smart, meron siyang magigain si Globe ng $4,000, and if nag-free data si Smart is maglulose si Globe ng $1,000. So, it's SOCMED contest, magigain siya ng 2, nag-lower rates, and magigain ng $1 if nag-free data weekend. So, unang gagawin natin is hanapin natin yung maximum dito sa column. So, 4 and 2, ang maximum is 4. And dito naman is negative 1 and 1, maximum is 1. So, since 4 is nandito and 1 is nandito, wala siya na dominate na area. So, dominated, none. Then, sa row naman, hanapin natin yung minimum. So, 4 and negative 1 is lowest is negative 1. So, 2 and 1, lowest is 1. So, lagyan natin dito 1. So, negative 1 nandito and 1 is nandito. Na-dominate niya yung area na to. So, cancel na natin to. Tanggalin na natin yan. So, wala na yung area na to. Na-dominate kasi siya na to. So, matitira is ito na lang. Negative 1 and 1. Since pa-column siya, ang gagawin natin is hanapin natin yung highest. So, negative 1 and 1, highest, syempre, itong 1. So, na-dominate niya yung area na to. So, cancel na natin to. So, ang matitira is 1. So, ayan na yung sagot natin, 1. So, sa conclusion, Globe should launch a SOCMED contest and expect a gain of $1,000, while Smart will launch a free data weekend and expect a loss of $1,000. So, ayun lang para sa pure strategy. So, thank you. Please press the red button.